Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how you use surface feature, and today I'll show you how you use lofted surface. And now let's start it. In this case I have two sketch like this. Now active lofted surface. See, you have two parameter, and this time I choose this parameter. In profile parameter, just click sketch what do you need, like this. See, you can do like this. See, and click OK. See, you can use lofted surface like this. Select this feature and now go to front plane, make guideline, use spline line, do it like this. See, this is sketch. Now active lofted surface again. In profile parameter, click this sketch and this sketch. Now use guide curve. In guide curve parameter, click this line. See, the surface follows the guide like this, and you can choose the parameter like this to next stroke or to next edge like this, or you can use global like this. Maybe I choose this one and click OK. See, now you know how to use lofted surface. I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.